In the heart of the Karakum Desert, there burns a fire that has never gone out. It roars day and night under sun and stars, a pit so vast and fierce locals call it the door to hell. Welcome back to Mystic Fact. Today, we're exploring Turkmenistan's eternal fire. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In Turkmenistan, about 260 kilometers north of Ashgabat, lies a fiery crater unlike anything else on Earth. Officially the Darvaza gas crater, locals call it Jahannam's Gate, the door to hell. For over 5 decades it has burned without rest, a wound in the Earth's surface glowing with eternal flame. The story begins in 1971. Soviet geologists were searching for natural gas reserves. They set up a drilling rig Badauber Maschenbaume, Odisechna, Gakshadinsen Slammerpur, Porduni Poberi Palro. They the ground gave way. Beneath them was a massive cavern filled with methane. The surface collapsed, swallowing their equipment and creating a crater 70 meters wide. The real danger was the invisible gas now leaking into the air, a deadly cloud that could poison nearby villages. To prevent catastrophe, the geologists made a daring choice: burn off the gas, believing the fire would die out in a few weeks. But the desert had other plans. The crater burned through the first week, then the first year, then 5 decades. The flames still burn today, fed by vast underground pockets of natural gas that seem impossible to exhaust. At night the glow can be seen for miles, like a beacon to another world. Scientists believe the Darvaza crater sits atop one of the largest natural gas fields in the region. The fire burns so steadily because methane seeps continuously from deep underground, acting like an invisible fuel pump. Temperatures at the center can reach 1,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. Yet even with modern equipment, no one truly knows how deep the crater goes. Over time, the door to hell transformed from a mistake into a modern-day pilgrimage site. Travelers from across the world come to stand at the rim of the inferno, to feel the heat on their faces and stare into the endless fire. Despite the danger, the crater draws adventurers, scientists, and photographers alike, all seeking to capture the mystery of eternal fire. The Turkmen government has tried to seal the crater several times, concerned about the constant gas loss. In 2003, 2022, President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov ordered experts to find a way to put out the fire. But every attempt has failed. The flames continue to burn, untouched, unstoppable, unyielding. Local legends claim the fire is a punishment from the earth, a reminder of humanity's greed. Others whisper that it's a gateway, a scar where 2 worlds once touched. But perhaps the truth is simpler, a moment of human error that turned into one of the most hauntingly beautiful sights on earth. Because in the end, what we call hell might just be nature reminding us who's really in control. For over 50 years, the door to hell has burned, an eternal flame in the heart of the desert. And as long as it burns, it will stand as a symbol of human curiosity, our mistakes, and our endless fascination with fire.